Welcome to the Windsor. Located at the top of Lodo on almost a full block of Larimer, residents enjoy a lock-and-leave home to enable city and quick mountain access. Unique to the large layouts typical in 1777, owners further benefit from 24/7 concierge, expansive amenities and courts, pickleball included. Proximity to everything ideal with an urban live, work, play residence. Schedule your next viewing today with a MASONmodern advisor.